Hello. Today we are going to demonstrate three tests. First is voltage ratio test, second is polarity test, and third one is load test. So out of these three, we will conduct first load test. To conduct this test, we require the following equipments: a transformer, single phase transformer, a voltmeter, ammeter, variac, connecting leads, and two wattmeters. So this is the circuit diagram of the experiment. So here this is the auto transformer, then we have a voltmeter in parallel, then we have a ammeter in series, and a wattmeter 1, which is connected to the primary of the transformer, and there is one more wattmeter in the secondary, and there is a switch which is connected to the load. So this is the circuit diagram of the load test. Now we will perform the test. So first we have to make the switch on. After this we have to vary the amount of voltage. We have to make the voltage to be 230 volt. So now it is 230 volt. After this we will make the load on. So first we have to take a reading at about 2 ampere. So the voltage is 230 volt, the current is 2 ampere, and this is the reading of wattmeter 1, and this is the reading of wattmeter 2. After this we again switch on the load more, and we have to take the reading. So this is a 3 ampere reading. Again the voltage is 230 volt, the current is 3 ampere. The wattmeter reading is changed one more time. Reading of second wattmeter is also changed. So in this way we will note down the readings of voltmeter, ammeter, and two wattmeters. And similarly we have to, so in this table we have to note down the readings: voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2, and then we have to calculate the efficiency of the transformer. So now we are going to start the voltage ratio test. In this test we have to connect a single phase transformer and 3 voltmeters. The voltmeter 1 will be connected in the primary, voltmeter 2 will be connected in the secondary, and V3 will be connected between the common points of the first and second voltmeter. Now when we are going to start the experiment, first we have to increase the voltage. Let us suppose we have given some voltage. So this is the V1 reading, and this is the reading of second voltmeter V2, and when we divide V1 by V2 or V2 by V1, we will get the turn ratio of the transformer. Similarly we can give some more voltage. We can increase the voltage, and again we have to take one more reading, V1, and this is the V2. So here we have got, this is a table, reading V1 and reading V2, and we have to take the ratio of V2 by V1. Now we are going to start the third test, which is called polarity test. The circuit diagram for the polarity test is like this: single phase transformer, auto transformer, voltmeter 1, voltmeter 2, and this is voltmeter 3. So V1 to be connected in the primary, V2 to be connected in the secondary, and V3 in between the primary and secondary of the transformer. So as we have to conduct the test, we have to follow the this procedure. So now again we have to start from 0. Let us suppose we give some voltage, 100 volt. This is the reading of V3 and this is the reading of V2 voltmeter. Now we can see V2 is having some reading and V3 is also having some reading. So in this case, the polarity of the voltages is additive, or the two voltages V1 and V2 are being in addition. Next, yes. So this is the continuation of polarity test. So when the voltages of primary and secondary are in opposition, the reading of the third voltmeter will be 0. So this can be demonstrated like this. So this is the auto transformer. We have to increase the voltage. Suppose we give some voltage 120 volt V1, and this is the V2 voltmeter. Reading is about 110 volt, and this is the reading of third voltmeter. So as we can see, this is 0. So it means that the voltages of primary and secondary are in position. They have the net voltage coming to be 0.